Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is d.i.y and today I'm going to be doing a video of me making a lava lamp. And all of my ingredients are some oil, water and some food coloring. Well, I'm only going to use one. And they're going to tell you what one I have, which one I'm going to choose later. And also I have some alka seltzer. And I have my jar. So now I'm going to pour the oil inside the jar. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to pour the water and then I'm going to choose which food coloring I'm going to choose. Okay. Jar. And I need to pour it up to the pot that I want. So now that was enough. And now I need to pour in some water. Not too much, just the right amount. So now that I've done that, I'm going to choose. I'm gonna choose wisely because I don't want to make it a mess. Red. Now I need to pour in some, just a little bit, just up to 2. So now I've done that. I need to close, and now I need to pour in some of these. Oh no, oh, it's already fuzzing. Now that I've done that, I need it close the lid. It looks amazing, doesn't it? It looks really good, and if you can look on the side here, it looks so this was my first attempt at making a lava lamp, and I think it was pretty good. And you can comment down below and tell me if you think it was a good attempt. It's fizzing like mine did before. You can add some more alka salt, and I hope I can see you all next time on my next video. And also, before I forget, at the end of my video, can you please subscribe and follow me on Instagram, do my like, and you can see all of my channels, and you can see this one right now on my show, and you can see how I made this beautiful lava lamp. And I think this was quite a good attempt. So I hope I'll see you all next time.